Kirente toinge nande gote Arigitani ukaga ya muchara bubone WIIRANE bo munini wa gavana county ne THIRIKARI thikire Arigitani county ne waraba utirimanite Ukunguira KIUMIA kia Arigitani NTHIGURUNE akiaria nyaga Israeli nande NAURITIE THIRIKARI NENE KUREKIA MBECA kurio na kiri mamburo ja Arigitani ni boritie witithagirwa nkathi ngugine na kinya bakaeja wakanyaga kuongera kithomo kiao bari ngugine. Mwandiki wetu Anto Paul Kabithi na kurikithia.
Happiness is a happy patient. We will do a
ikire mambura magukungura kumakagita karao na simbombire kwanjeria mambura marama wetigitwe igankandia kirinde na muno mandagitari kumagwara cibitari ri kaunti ya THIRIKARI na bwana Zakari Njagine MC wa Koroto kaunti ya THIRIKARI araki ariombire kuthetera mandagitari raugite amona wetithiriwa nkathe mandagitari abakuringana na ngugi ira barutaga emu babatiri kongerwa musara
ya shule. Unajua, let me give you about the assembly ile niko. Assembly hata niwe niko na masters, ama niko na degree, ama niko na certificate, ama mimi ni wa class 8. Salary ni moja. Your Excellency, hawa watu acha wasikue kama MCs wanalipangwa salary moja, hata yule amesoma, hata yule hajasoma. Wale wamesoma acha waangaliwe vizuri na Mungu atasaidia. Nurse managers. These people, they have no difference with these others. Hata kuwa nasi ni change, kukua those big names, they are just names. Ukweli ama uongo. They are in the same job groups with the others. They don't get anything. But here tulaumu His Excellency because ni kitu iko huko juu, haiko kwa circular. It's just names. It's just names. At county nursing officer. Utapata county nursing officer na yule yako kama wadho. They are in the same job group. They are earning the same things. Kikutolea their pay slips, DS, Deputy Governor. You will be surprised how they survive. Mutawanza kuwaitia watu wa EACC mfikirie wanaibanga because those that are due. So it's a humble request. Deputy Governor, fikishia mundos umwambie these guys really need promotion. Not only nurses, even other healthcare workers.
Orakori mugeni wa iteo mambrani ya matwe Deputy Governor wa kaunti ya THIRIKARI Mheshimiwa Nyamu Israeli akijiti na ciambugi ati na waya kwa thirikari nene ti kurekeria mbeca bote thirikari ya kaunti ya THIRIKARI batitigiria mandagitari bakarego gubata kuwata musara gwao.
We know those difficulties. We know those hiccups. We know those challenges. His Excellency is saying that you ensure there is no worker who will go without salary. And what matters a lot is you to have salaries. Promise to renew contract that expired for another 3 years and also these employees to our county's workforce because of the great contribution you offer in ensuring every person enjoy access to the best healthcare service in the region.
Bongi Deputy Governor likithiritie mandagitari aba.
We are set aside that you have said it is better we be paying NHIF 2 months before we get our salaries, so that at least our people will be able to benefit. Because as there are so many people, we are the host, we have the independents. Because if they are suffering and they go to hospital and then they lack treatment, now the challenge, or maybe they will now start now provoking us, and we don't want to be provoked by our independents.
Ikagitani wa Koritie thirikari nene gutigiriba kurekeria mbeca ino kiri MAKAUNTI.
Kwera atongoria bara barurito bonde na bara barumirititwe. Ndo akiari kwa rionto aragia orie ndi ari oguno tubwai. No sometimes no mtu agokira kwa ria to itio akauga mbeca jieku na iteja utembeca mbeju. Kwa une nkolomba thirikari nene nedikereria kiriro gietu. Mbere tukongwera katiba yetu. Tutakenagira services sino tukuona. Kwa une nkolomba no to neto augire no tukwenda katiba ranjelu. Thirikari ira nene nekeria mbeca. Turutire wananchi beto wira. To promote nurses beto no ndo namba to tena mbeca uteto tukamba kulura. Na ndira ku tafadhali na bwa tongorie beto thank you muno mamezogiria tongorie beto rizate benu bonde ba nurses no ndo bambiri usokia nkaro. Nkaro ngeto kiaga muno.
Nkiripotera urujuma kumantere cia Tharaka Bito wa Paul Ogwa Kabithi.